Okay, you will not have correct answers paper for the paper one, and sometimes you may have uh, very close answers. Therefore, there is a statement that says that you have to select the most suitable answer. Okay, most suitable answer, not always the correct answer. Sometimes there are correct answers, and sometimes there are most suitable answers. So to select the most suitable answer, you have to use your intelligence, and that time only you can find the correct answer. The correct means marks getting answer, of course. Okay, so there are no always correct answers, there are most suitable answers also. Keep that in your mind. So now for the first question, normally first question is an easy question. What is the building unit of protein? Building unit of protein, you know, answer 2 amino acid. Okay, second answer, amino acid. You mark the answers. Okay, right? If there is any problem, you tell me, right? Amino acid. Okay, Krishanthini is correct. Okay, amino acid. Okay. Then second question, nucleus of an atom consists of uh, first one only protons, second one protons and neutrons, third one protons and electrons, fourth one protons, neutrons and electrons. It should be answer 2, protons and neutrons, right? Neutrons, answer 2. Second question, second response is the answer. Third one, which of the following is an amphoteric oxide? Amphoteric oxide, yeah, amphoteric oxide, right?
First answer.
What is the answer?
First
First one.
answer.
First one,
First
aluminium
one.
oxide. Yeah, that is correct. Yeah, yeah. First one, aluminium oxide, right? Aluminium oxide. Number 4, standard unit of measuring weight of an object is?
Third one.
Huh?
Third one.
Third one, answer.
Third one.
Correct, correct, correct. You say the answer, then I will say whether correct or wrong, you know. Third one, Newton. For the fourth question, answer is third one, Newton. That is the unit of measuring weight. Weight is a force, you know. Weight is a force. The unit of measuring force is Newton. And question number 5. A polysaccharide stored in animal bodies. What's that?
Third
Glycogen.
one.
Answer?
Third one.
Third one.
Glycogen.
Correct, correct, correct. Glycogen, yeah. Glycogen is the answer. And question 6. What is the organelle given in the diagram?
Golgi complex.
Yeah. Okay, one question. Yeah, Golgi complex is correct. One question. How can you detect it that as Golgi complex, not endoplasmic reticulum? How can you separate that, you know, Golgi complex from endoplasmic reticulum? Somebody may say endoplasmic reticulum. What is the feature? There are vesicles close by. Endoplasmic reticulum doesn't have like this vesicles here close by. Okay. Now endoplasmic reticulums do not have, you know, vesicles. There are vesicles here. No, vesicles are always coming in large number. Vesicles come out from Golgi complex. Therefore, answer 3 correct. Golgi complex. Question number 7. An element has element that present in nucleic acids, but not in lipids is?
N.
What is that?
N.
Huh?
Nitrogen. Nitrogen.
Fourth one.
Nitrogen, fourth one. You know, lipids have carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, or CHO. Carbohydrates also have carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, but you know, lipids have, but nucleic acids have nitrogen. Nitrogen and phosphorus also, okay? They have given nitrogen. Question number 8. The element which is in third period and second group of the periodic table is must be able,
Calcium.
Calcium.
yeah,
Magnesium.
Magnesium.
third period and
Magnesium.
second group. Second group. What are the
Calcium.
yeah, what are the you must know about the second group first of all. Second group ones, of course, you know, no? Second group elements are beryllium, magnesium, calcium. Okay, hydrogen, helium. Then after that, you know, lithium, beryllium. You know that. Can you remember the period groups and periods? Second group means it has to be magnesium or calcium. No? Boron belongs to third group. No? Hydrogen, helium, first period. Second period, lithium, beryllium. Third period, sodium, magnesium. Answer is what? You know what is the answer? Magnesium. No?
Magnesium.
Magnesium. Calcium belongs to fourth period. Answer is magnesium. Question number 9. Water soluble and fat soluble vitamins are given respectively. Water soluble and
B and C.
Third one.
answer
B and C.
B and C. Water soluble and
C and D.
water
C
soluble
and D.
C and D.
C and D. Yeah. Actually, what is the answer? C and D. You know, I'll show you now what water soluble ones, you know, like this, right? It now I will show you. I think I have given it to you in the note. I think I told you in the first lesson. Yeah. So water soluble ones are like this, right? Others are fat soluble ones, right? Water soluble and fat soluble, right? So water soluble ones are only B and C. B and C. I told you before Christ. Water soluble ones are before Christ. I told it to you, I think, when I told you lesson, right? Others are ERDEC. So according to the question, water soluble and fat soluble. First one has to be water soluble. Look for B or C for the first one. First one, B. B is there in question number second response. Second response, B is there. But second vitamin is also water soluble. C is also water soluble. But in the third answer, C and D. So third answer is the suitable answer. First one is water soluble one. Second one is fat soluble one. You must understand the question, okay? Question asks you water soluble and fat soluble, and you must pay your attention to this one. This word. What is that? What is the meaning of this word, Inosh? Do you know? What is the meaning of respectively? Don't know? Don't know? Meaning of respectively? According to the question, what is the meaning of respectively?
In order.
Very good, very good, very good. In order. Respectively means here in order. It has some other meanings also, but here meaning is in order. In order means first vitamin should be water soluble one. Second one has to be fat soluble one. Good, okay. So that is the answer. Third one. And question number 10 now, right? This is not a strategy applied to increase the friction. You learned actually last month, no? This is not a strategy applied to increase the friction. The strategy, not a strategy. What is the answer?
Second one.
Second one.
Applying pair of tires for rear wheels of, yeah, second one, correct, no? When we use, pair of tires, surface area increases. There, what is expected is the pressure. Increased pressure and their pressure is decreased. That is not related to friction. That is related to pressure, pressure on tires. So that is the answer. All the other things are suitable answers, right? Yeah. Question number 11. Organelles in which photosynthesis and respiration are occurred respectively. Do you know in English language? In English language, normally we don't use that. It is something like, unethical and grammatically incorrect one. We don't use occur word with no. So that means normally those who know English very well do not use, occurred. We don't use, occur word like this. Occur word is not used as, in passive voice. Occur word is used in active voice only. So that means those who don't know about English very well have done that. Normally that, I mean, there is, very simple grammatical mistake. Simple grammatical mean grammatically, no, grammatically it may be correct, but we don't use occur word in passive voice. Okay, so we don't use happened in passive voice, no. It was happened. Have you heard anywhere it was happened? No. Like that. Occur is also a word like that. We don't write occur word in passive voice, but they must have used another word instead of. Organelle in which photosynthesis and respiration, it should be not occur respectively. What is the answer?
Third one.
Yeah. Photosynthesis, chloroplast, respiration, mitochondria. Correct. Third one is the answer. Okay. Third one is the answer, right? If others are not agree, others, do you agree with the answers? If you do not agree,
Yes.
okay. If you do not agree, you tell me. Now, one says the answer. After that, I also say whether it is correct or wrong. But if others have doubt, if you have any doubt, you can ask or you can say it in the chat box, right? Now, question number 12, right? Minimum energy that should be supplied to an atom in the gaseous state, you know that, no? To remove an electron to form a unipositive gaseous ion is called as what?
First
First
ionization.
Yeah.
Second one.
Yeah, second one, very correct. Second one is the answer. First ionization energy, you have learned, I also told it to you. 13. What is the force required to give an acceleration of 3 meters per square second to an object with a mass of 6 kilograms? So there is a small mathematical sum, It I will do it, right? Mathematical sum like this. Okay, I will work it out.
18 ton.
Yeah. What?
Fourth one.
Fourth one. Yeah.
Fourth one.
Yeah. I will do it right there. Can you see Can you see what I am typing? You can see, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, F equals ma. Mass is 6. 6 multiplied by. Acceleration is 3. So F equals 6 into 3, 18, no? Okay, 18 Newton. So answer is fourth one, no? Fourth one is the answer, okay? Fourth one, all of you agree? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no. 18 Newton. F equals ME. Then 14th question. 14th question. What is the property of water that contribute to regulate body temperature?
Second one.
Coolant property.
Huh?
Coolant property.
Correct. Okay, coolant property is the answer. Yeah. Coolant property. That is the answer. Coolant. Because water can cool down body, no? When the temperature is going to increase, water has the ability to cool down. Therefore, water can maintain body temperature. Okay. Next question now. Question number 15. All the biochemical reactions take place in the cell or body of organisms. All the biochemical reactions that take place in the cell or body of organisms are catalyzed by proteins called. Are you very easy question? That is the answer.
First one.
Huh? Third one?
First one.
First one.
First one, enzymes, correct. Yeah, good. Answer is the first one, that is enzymes. Okay, correct, right? Enzymes. And question number 16. Select the answer that consists of elements with valency of 2. With valency of 2.
Second one.
Yeah, second. All of you agree? Second one, no? Yeah, I just, recall you something. In that, you have to select the elements available in what, second group and the sixth group. They should be found, okay? Now, group number 2, second group, and sixth group. So, element available in the second group are magnesium and calcium. Elements available are magnesium, calcium, and beryllium also. Magnesium, calcium, beryllium, they all belong to second group. And elements available in the sixth group are oxygen. So elements in the second group and sixth group have the valency of 2. Answer correct. Answer 2. Right. Question number 17. A and B are 2 living cells observed by electron microscope. Select the correct statement made regarding these cells. Okay, you know that this is when you start doing the question, at a rough guess, you must know that this is an animal cell. Okay, and other one is a plant cell. Animal cell and plant cell. Okay, this is a plant cell. First one is an animal cell, second one is a plant cell. A is a plant cell while B is an animal cell. A is an animal cell. B is a plant cell. Both A and B are animal cells, both A. So what is the answer?
Second one.
Second one.
Second one. No, it's very clear. No? Okay, second one is the answer. Okay. Question number 18. Which of the following is true regarding friction? You had to select.
Fourth one.
What is the answer?
Fourth one.
Act between two surfaces opposed to their relative motion. Opposed to their two surfaces opposed to their relative motion. First one, let's say now Let's consider first one. Doesn't act on an object at rest. No, it is acting. No. If an object is not moving, doesn't act on an object at rest. Second one, dynamic friction is slightly more than the limiting frictional force. That is wrong. Second one is completely wrong. Limiting friction is the highest, I told you. Always opposed to the motion of an object. Always opposes to the motion of an object. Last one, act between two surfaces opposed to their relative motion. So if you have good knowledge about this question, if you have good knowledge about, this one, what can you say about this question? මේ ප්‍රශ්න ගැන මොකක්ද හිතෙන්නේ? ඒ කියන්නේ උත්තර කීපයක් තියෙන්න පුළුවන් දෙක උත්තරයද තියෙන්නේ? මොකක්ද හිතෙන්නේ? Is there anybody else who have different answer? Now you said the last one, no? Who said
Yes,
the,
sir.
who said the last one? Who said the last one?
Senari, sir.
Scenario, no? Act between two surfaces opposed to their relative motion. That is true, however. How about the third answer? Always opposes to the motion of an object. Always opposes to the motion of an object. Always opposes to the motion of an object, right? I mean the friction. That is also a little bit true. We can't say exactly wrong. I think this question, මම හිතන්නේ මේ ප්‍රශ්නේ වෙන්න ඕන අනිත් පැත්ත. Which of the following is not true? Which of the following is incorrect? Which of the following is incorrect? Incorrect ආපුවම second අනිත් තුනම වගේ ටිකක් true. තුනම වගේ true ඒවා තියෙන්නේ. එකක් පොඩ්ඩක් විතර true ගතියක් තියෙනවා. Doesn't act on an object at rest කියන එක. Doesn't act on an object at rest කියන එක ටිකක් true නෑ වගේ. නමුත් ඒක true. මේ භාගයට භාගයක් වගේ එක true. මේ question එක බලපුවාම නම් වෙන්න ඕන incorrect එකයි අහන්න. Second is the most incorrect one. But as they have given to find the true one, answer is, we have to take the answer, most suitable answer out of all these. උත්තර තුනක් ළඟ ළඟ යන ඒවා තියෙනවා. ඒ හොඳම උත්තරේ තමයි true කියලා ගත්තොත් හොඳම උත්තරේ තමයි the answer said by Senari. That is answer 4. No, you said.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you said answer 4. No, yeah. Fourth one is the answer. Question number 90. A significance of meiosis is. A significance of meiosis is. Yeah.
Fourth one.
Yeah.
Fourth one.
Evolution due to variations. Yeah. Yeah. That is the suitable answer. Answer 4. Correct. Now we go for question number 20. Blisters were appeared. මේ paper එක හදනගෙන සමහර ඉංග්‍රීසි දන්නේ නැහැ අතට. මට මේ අහු වෙනවා දැක්කද? ඔයාලට තේරෙනවද? appear කියන word එක මෙයා passive voice දන්නවා. ඒ වුණාට මෙයා සමහර words use කරන විදිය දන්නේ නැහැ. මේ question paper එක translate කරපුගෙන එහෙම දන්නේ නැති කෙනෙක් මේ passive voice දන්නවා. ඒ වුණාට සමහර words use කරන්නේ නැහැ කියන ඒවා දන්නේ නැහැ. Blisters were appeared. We don't say blisters were appeared. We say blisters appeared. Blisters appeared. Blisters were appeared on the knees and elbows of child who suffered from a deficiency disease. Identify the relevant vitamin for the above deficiency symptom. What is the answer?
First one.
First one.
First one, right? Appeared on the knees and elbows. Knees and elbows. Yeah. You know the singular word for that? I mean that blisters like thing, you know. හැබැයි මොකක්ද ඒක මේ not actually blisters blisters කියන්නේ ඒවට blisters කියලා කියන්නේ අර when your skin rubs against some